Google just made a significant statement that may have significant effects for Shiba Inu. In addition, Google's AI program Gemini just made a forecast about Shiba Inu for this year, and I can assure you that it will surprise you. If you own any SHIB tokens or are interested in Shiba Inu, you really shouldn't miss this video. What recent news is there about Shiba Inu coins? What are Shiba Inu news and Google? And how will all of this impact the Shiba Inu's worth? I'll be responding to these queries and providing you with all the recently released price-boosting Shiba Inu facts in today's video. Since I spent a lot of time researching for this video, please make sure to watch through to the very end to avoid missing anything. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. But before we get into our subject, let's check at the chart and see what the Shiba price is doing on March 16th. The price of Shiba Inu is now at 2856 units. During the last 24 hours, SHIB's price has decreased by 1%, with $1.4 billion worth of transactions taking place. The token is presently the 12th most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market worth of more than $16.8 billion. Note that these prices may have changed by the time you saw the video, and that the information provided here is not intended to be financial advice. Let's start the video for today. Sell-off in the cryptocurrency market, principal causes of yesterday's crashes in Shib, Bitcoin, and other markets. On Friday, the cryptocurrency market collapses, causing the global crypto market capitalization to plummet by almost 7% to $2.55 trillion. The values of other cryptocurrencies, such as BNB, XRP, and Cardano, also dropped, with both Bitcoin and Ethereum falling by more than 7%. Despite the recent buzz around nasty coins, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu values also saw significant profit booking, plunging 12%. In light of the halving of Bitcoin, traders and experts forecast much-needed surrender for the market to continue rising. The fall in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. 1. Friday's option expiration over $3 billion in Bitcoin and Ethereum options, which expired on Friday, March 15, caused the market to decline. The cryptocurrency market is usually quite volatile when options expire. Specifically, today marks the expiration of 30,568 Bitcoin options, with a notional value of $2.09 billion. With a put-call ratio of 0.79 and a maximum pain point of $66,000, options traders might consider booking profits while maintaining their optimistic outlook. Even if the price of Bitcoin dropped to $6,770, it is still more than the maximum payment amount. But since there is a chance to purchase the dip, Bitcoin will rise. 2. The U.S. fading hopes for a rate cut. In his testimony to Congress, U.S. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell made it plain that rate reductions would be contingent on fresh economic data, particularly on inflation and employment. Higher PPI, retail sales, and jobless numbers this week after hotter CPI data earlier point to increased inflation and the resiliency of the U.S. economy. The Fed now has more justification to postpone rate reduction until primarily the end of the year. March and May 3 are when the Fed is most likely to hold rates stable. Amidst a surge in liquidity, crypto holdings sold off. The latest liquidations during liquidity rush erased nearly $680 billion in market value from the cryptocurrency market. According to Coin Glass statistics, more than 192,000 dealers liquidated in the previous day, with the highest Bitcoin liquidation order ever against Tether. The current collapse in the cryptocurrency market may be attributed to all of these things, but I believe that the market will soon recover and any dips will be rapidly purchased. We would much appreciate it if you could press the like button if you're still watching. It is completely free and really helps with channel support. However, stay tuned for the most recent Shiba Inu news and developments about the Shiba Inu currency. Why did SHIB suddenly drop 13%? The main cause is shown by on-chain data. Given the often erratic nature of the cryptocurrency industry, Shiba Inu recently saw a notable price shift. The value of the cryptocurrency with a dog motif fell by 13% during yesterday's trading session. The whole cryptocurrency market is also declining at the same time as this abrupt collapse, with Bitcoin reaching as low as $65,565 before rising to around $68,400. On-chain data seems to provide some insight into the primary cause of the Shiba Inu price reduction, even if a number of variables may have had a role. On-chain data sheds light on SHI transactions and provides hints as to what may have caused the price fluctuation. Market influence is influenced by large transactions, sometimes known as whale activities. Since March 5, there has been a general decline in these transactions, which decreased by 5.43% in the previous day, according to statistics from Into the Block. Similarly, Into the Block's holding time of transacted coins indication might provide important information about investor confidence and market mood. Increased coin trading volume may indicate that investors are more focused on making quick profits. Coins acquired by retail dealers, most often during bull runs, had shorter average holding times. March 13 saw a decrease in the average period kept for coins transferred to 4 weeks, whilst March 14 had a figure of 2 months and a volume of 2.12 trillion Shib, suggesting speculative trading. Speculative traders are known for their short-term trading tactics, which often depend more on mood and market movements than on the underlying principles of the asset. The 13% decline of Shiba Inu is consistent with this pattern. These traders often profit from the excitement around well-known cryptocurrencies, which might result in quick purchase and sell orders that could cause unanticipated price swings. It's time for the video's primary plot now. Google Cloud accepts Shiba Inu via Coinbase Commerce. The world's largest technology company, Google, has partnered with Coinbase to enable Google Cloud users to pay for services using cryptocurrency. Top cryptos like Shiba Inu are included in this. Therefore, Shiba Inu, the well-known cryptocurrency with a dog motif, could just get the push it needs to resume its winning ways. Coinbase provides access to Google Cloud. First, Coinbase Commerce, a service designed for businesses to accept cryptocurrency payments and convert them into fiat, will assist in putting the transaction into reality. Shiba Inu prices are established by Google Gemini for December 2024. The second largest meme currency, Shiba Inu, has a highly contested price trend going forward. Based on its recent enormous climb of over 250%, the majority of experts predict that SHIB will continue its positive trajectory. We sought estimates for SHIB for December 2024 from Google's huge language model, Gemini, in order to get a fresh viewpoint. Google Gemini forecasts. Gemini predicts that SHIB will move in one of 3 ways in 2024. The first scenario is positive, with the chatbot projecting a large rise in SHIB's price. Gemini predicts that SHIB will hit 0.2, which would represent a rise of more than 410% from its current price. This goal is not far from another analyst's plan, who previously projected an 822% increase. The second scenario offers SHIB's market prospects a modest outlook. Gemini projects a continuous rise in SHIB, with a target price of 0.1 by December 2024. This is about 155% increase over SHIB's current pricing. A pessimistic market forecast for SHIB is shown in the third scenario. Gemini forecasts a price rise even in this case, although a smaller one. By December 2024, the AI-powered chatbot projects that SHIB will hit 0.00005, which would represent a 27% increase from its current price. Can Shiba Inu accomplish these goals? It's important to keep in mind that these are just projections and that the real price of Shiba in December 2024 may differ significantly from any of these estimates. Examinations. The price of cryptocurrencies may fluctuate based on a number of variables, making the market unstable. These include modifications to regulations, the mood of the market, the acceptance of Bitcoin by significant institutions, its general performance, and more. The expansion of Shibarium, its Layer 2 blockchain, and the rising rate of token burning are some of SHIB's main benefits. It's important to note that an auto-burn gateway is now undergoing testing. If successful, this might significantly raise the burn rate and eventually help SHIB expand. Even with all the unknowns, Gemini's forecasts provide investors with insightful information about Shiba Inu. By the end of 2024, all three possibilities point to SHIB continuing its increasing trajectory. Interestingly, even the most pessimistic forecast calls for higher prices. The more optimistic forecast, in my opinion, has the best possibility of coming true. Recall that we are in a bull run and that things might go out of control. Similar to the last bull market in 2021, we could see hundreds of % spikes in SHIB, particularly given the large coin runs and reduced overall supply of SHIB. It's also noteworthy because ChatGPT forecasted that this year would see SHIB exceed its all-time high. Because they trust in the Shiba Inu developers and the true worth of SHIB, many of our subscribers mention that they will not be selling SHIBs for the next 5 years and will instead retain millions of them. What many of ones do you guys have? Remember to provide a list of your SHIB holdings in the box below the comments. Let's give the SHIB bearer credit for having faith in this procedure. If you find the video entertaining, please subscribe to the channel, give the video a large thumbs up, and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu token in the comments section. In order to get updates whenever we upload a new video, don't forget to enable post notifications.